Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Sorry for the inconsistency. Uh, I've had some things happen in the past couple days, past week, and I wasn't really in the right mental space to be trading. And it just hasn't been good for me. But you know, you gotta keep moving forward. So I'm here making this video now. So it's gonna be another backtesting video on Monday. We didn't have any news, so we're gonna backtest and see how No News Monday went. So let's hop onto the charts. First, we're gonna be trading ES on the daily. Rewind it to what was that, July 8th? Yeah. All right. So I like to go to 4 hour. We play July. Oh, where is it? July 8th. Right here, July 8th, and this should be 5 a.m. Alright, so we'll skip ahead a little. 7 a.m. 30-minute. 7:30. And this is 8:30 a.m. Alright, so first we go to the daily. You can see, actually on the daily we're at all-time highs, which kind of leaves me bullish. And we can see we just broke out of a consolidation right here. We just broke out of that, which also leads me to be bullish. However, there's a fair value gap here, which I expect price to eventually come back. Maybe not today, but in the next couple days. And we'll scale down to the 4 hour, see where we are. Yeah, so we didn't really see any super liquidity, which also leads me to be more on the bullish side. We filled this fair value gap right here. Saw this move up, more bullish confirmation. Scale down to the hourly, and this is going to find some of our confluences. So we can see a fair value gap right here. It hasn't been filled. We can see also a fair value gap here that hasn't been filled, and also a fair value gap right here. And if we draw an equilibrium from these lows to this high, we see price hasn't quite dipped into equilibrium yet. Again, this is 8:30 a.m. So we can scale down to a 30-minute, and we see liquidity right here. I expect price to take this, come down into one of these, maybe this order block also right here. But another thing we could do is we can mark out an equilibrium level from these lows to this high. So I expect price, well, I would like to see at least take this liquidity, maybe market open, come down to a certain gap, order block, tap into equilibrium, and then we'll look for a buy position. So we scale down to the 15-minute, and yeah, we look very bullish. So we wait. 9 a.m. No liquidity sweep yet. We could go to the 5-minute. See an order block right here. Keep going. This was right at market open. We saw a big spike, and there was no liquidity sweep. So we didn't really see anything that we want to happen. We did not see price come into any of our confluences. Well, we could keep watching, see what happens. And here we saw price dip down into a 5-minute fair value gap, 5-minute order block. And here we go. So basically what I'm looking for is, if we come back to the 15-minute, we can see price come in, because this was all buying power, so we see selling power, and I'm really looking for a price to fill this fair value gap right here, and we can see what happens. Alright, so price comes in, taps into this fair value gap right here on the 30 minute, and I'm going to look for a buy. Alright, unfortunately, it's like at this point 110, and I wouldn't be trading right now. And unfortunately, we found no trades on ES on No News Monday. So we can move to NQ, see what happens on NQ. Alright, this is current, so we're going to have to rewind it to Monday, July 8th. Go to 8 o'clock. Let's go to 15 minute. It's 7:45, okay. So we'll put that to 8, this should be 8:30, yep. So, sorry, go to 5 minute. Alright, it's 8:40. So this is 8:40 a.m. So we check the daily, and also NQ is at all-time highs. Sorry, let me just remove these. We see a huge imbalance right here, which kind of leaves me bearish, I'm not going to lie. Because eventually price will come down, fill this imbalance, and go back up. So we could go down to the 4 hour. And also guys, NQ and ES move in a very similar price action. So you can kind of align those two. So yeah, we see imbalance right here, which was sort of kind of filled. We can see this fill, move up. This imbalance, and we see that this fair value gap right here wasn't really respected. Let's see. Price dipped in, went down a little, not really respected. And we can also see it broke out of a consolidation. So let's go down to 1 hour. Still bullish on the 1 hour. Okay. So we see this fair value gap right here, not filled. I would like to see price come in and fill that. We have liquidity right here, but I don't think price will go down that far down. And other than that, I don't see much else, to be honest with you. We could mark out a equilibrium level on the hourly. We sell down to a 15 minute. We see this imbalance right here. Some liquidity lying under here. These lows, these lows, these lows, these lows. Order block, order block, order block. And hopefully price takes this liquidity, drops down to one of our confluences, moves up. And again, that's on the 15 minute. So again, not seeing much. And we're on the 5 minute now, so we can see obvious liquidity right here. So I'm hoping price maybe moves up a market open, takes that, drops down, maybe sweeps this liquidity, fills this imbalance, enters this order block right here, and let's see what happens. So we can see price go above this liquidity, hopefully has a liquidity sweep, and we can see price come down. Like I said, hopefully it takes this liquidity, but it's not enough to enter position. I would like to see some more confluences and a break in structure. So if the next candle closes above this, if it's a high and it closes above this high, then, or sorry, if this candle closes above this high, then I would enter a buy position. Alright, so here I would into a long position right about here. I'll set my stop loss, or sorry, I would set my take profit. Since we're all-time highs, there's nowhere really for me to set it, but I would set my stop loss. I would probably set it below this liquidity, and I would go for a 1 to 2 risk to reward. So, all right, and then we can see what happens. And all right, so we would have got stopped out again. I don't really like to trade when there's no news because the market's not very volatile and I can't really tell what's happening. I like some news to get the market moving and fill some confluences. And we can see here that we would have got stopped out, but it's all part of the game. I'll make another video back testing again, but I don't think I'll be trading this week because, like I said in the beginning of the video, I don't think I'm in the right I don't think I'm in the right mental space to be trading. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.